My name is Jay English, and I'm the founder and the president of Plain English Incorporated. Now, this nonprofit organization was built on the principle of providing high-level resources, training, and services to those who are operating in the urban and inner city community. Don't get me wrong, we're here to work with everybody, with anybody. And I'm more than happy to go over a donation schedule with you to show the different services and options that we're able to provide. But our primary goal is to find those people, those churches, those organizations that are looking to change lives, that are looking to build something, that are looking to add value back into the inner city. And we want to walk alongside you and provide low-cost options, or even in some cases subsidize the cost completely through our nonprofit to help you get your message out to those that would benefit from it the most. Now, with that being said, I want to introduce you to the newest branch of our organization, Plain English Videography.